Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can download and extract Chromedriver. So let's get right into it. Chromedriver is, or rather WebDriver is a open source tool for automated testing of apps across many browsers. It is used in general for user input, JavaScript execution, web pages, and so on and so. And it is quite useful. I haven't gotten the opportunity to use it myself yet. However, I do know some basics which I will try to explain to you guys. Let's say that we want to download it, and we are at the Chromedriver at chromium.org. And here we have a whole lot of documentation, downloads pages. Here you can see the latest binaries. You can download it from here at the Chrome testing availability dashboard. However, you can also just go up here into downloads, go to version selection, and for versions 115 and newer, you are going to go here and open it up in a new tab. As you can see, it opens up this tab and it will show you the version, the status, and whether it's stable, beta, development, upcoming, canary, and so on and so forth. But let's say we want the latest one, and let's say we want the stable version. It'll bring us to the stable version list, and now from here you just want to choose whichever one you want. We want Chromedriver, so let's say for Windows 64, just copy this link, paste it over here, and it downloads it, and then you need 7-zip or WinRAR, and it will extract it like any other, move it wherever you want, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.